Hello jazz lover, how are you? In this video I want to show you how to edit contemporary photo like selebgram, Instagram filter, gold Christmas color effect using Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for joining the JS Studio channel, the place for creative, innovative and inspirational people. And see you again with me, Jimmie Sinarta Digital Artist, in the Photoshop tutorial segment. I will share a premium preset that you can download for free, which I have included the link in the description. And to open it, please enter in the password which I have provided in this video. So please watching this video until it's finished, that you can find the password. For the new watching this channel, please click the subscribe button in the lower right corner in this video, so that I am even more excited about making video content to be interesting. Alright, let's start the tutorial. Okay friends, we will choose the filter and choose camera raw preset. And we will start in this section. For temperature, I set it -15, tint is -7, exposure 0.25, contrast is -43, highlight is -82, shadow is 57, and white is -78, black is 40, texture -1, clarity is -3, dehash 0, vibrant is 13, saturation is 6. Okay, do the next curve. I choose this section. For highlight, I set 0, and light I set 20, dark I set 25, and shadow I set 24. For the curve all, I set like this. Okay, I think edit point curve is finished, and next the red channel. Okay, I think red channel is finished. Next, the green channel. Okay, for the green channel is finished. Next, the blue channel. Okay, I think the edit curve for blue channel is finished. Okay, next, the detail section. For the sharpening is 33, for the noise reduction is 46, color noise reduction is 40. Okay, next the color mixture. For the red channel, for hue is 18, saturation is -28, luminance is 7. Next, orange channel. For the hue is 12, saturation is 7, and luminance 8. Next, the yellow channel. Hue is 8, saturation 4, luminance 12. Next, the green channel. Hue 4, saturation is -20, luminance is -4. Next, the aqua. Hue is 12, saturation is minus 38, luminance is 18. Next, the blue hue is minus 14, saturation is minus 28, luminance is minus 20. Okay, next the purple. Pure hue is minus 5, saturation is minus 42, luminance is minus 8. Next, the magenta. Magenta hue is 8, saturation is minus 38, luminance is 12. Okay, next section, split tuning. For the hue is 64, saturation is 2, balance is 45, shadow is 238, saturation is 12. Next, the effects. For the whiteness is minus 9. Next, the calibration. For red primary, for hue is 5, saturation is 45, green primary, hue is minus 68, saturation is 10, blue primary, hue is minus 85, saturation is minus 15. Press OK, and the result like this. It's very much wonderful picture. Okay, the tutorial is finished. Thank you friend, this tutorial is finished. If this video is very useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave the comment. And don't forget to click the bell symbol so that friends always get notification if there is a new video from us. Finally, I'm Jimmie Sinarta Digital Artist. Excuse myself. Keep the spirit, keep healthy and keep working. See you again in the next video. See you next time. Bye bye.